Hello and welcome to Inside Lundquist. Today I'm very excited to talk about AI. Artificial intelligence is something that's transforming how we live, learn, and work. Here at Lundquist, our faculty and students aren't just keeping up, they're leading and innovating. Our faculty are researching how AI shapes all aspects of business, and they bring that knowledge directly into the classroom. Meanwhile, our students are directly applying AI through dozens of hands-on projects, including some with corporate partners.
There is just a lot of excitement right now at the Lundquist College of Business for AI. In the classroom, students are learning about the responsible use of AI and then how to create AI assistants and agents. They're deploying those tools to do strategic decision making, to support startups, and to do advanced data analysis. For the students, there's just a lot of enthusiasm for these trainings because they see the direct link between this and their career readiness.
One of my favorite projects that we worked on was building AI teaching assistants, so any of my classmates could answer their questions at any time of day to better prepare for exams, and that was a super rewarding project to work on.
This is just a snippet of what we're doing around AI activities. Below, you can read a lot more details about all the things we're doing, from student-led AI hackathons to working with KPMG to get real-life examples into our accounting classes. We have also put into place very robust guidelines around the ethical use of AI for our faculty and students. Now, I often frequently check in with my business school deans at other comparator institutions so we can compare notes. And I'm really proud to say that we are truly leading and innovating in this AI space. It's a fast-changing landscape, and we're going to do everything we can to stay in that position. Thank you, as always, for your support, and go Ducks!